In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who has access or permission to edit your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Google Sheet and select the Share button up at the top. So underneath people with access, it'll list out everyone who has access. And then if you go underneath general access, you can see if everyone on the internet can access it as well, if they have the link or it's restricted. That means only people with access above here can actually open up the link, and you select done to save, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.